Heat waves are hotter than ever in Malaysia, and if your home isn't ready, you're going to feel it. Today, we're revealing 5 essential interior design tips that will keep your home cool without cranking up the aircon. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seeds. Before we begin, I'd like to share a little about Design Seeds membership program. If you're new to our channel and enjoy our stories, we'll truly appreciate your support. By clicking the join button, you'll be contributing a small token of encouragement that helps us to creating more inspiring content for you. Here we go. Tip number 1, cross ventilation and airflow. Imagine having free air conditioning. Cross ventilation is the ultimate natural cooling trick, and it works even on the hottest afternoons. It's all about creating a path for wind. Air enters from one side of the room and exits on the other side, flushing out heat and stale air. When done right, you'll feel cooler, reduce humidity, and cut your aircon time, leading to lower electricity bills. Here's how to do it in your home. Start with the floor plan. Open plan spaces with fewer partitions allow air to circulate freely, preventing heat buildup. Place windows or doors on opposite walls to catch prevailing breeze. Larger openings, louvered windows, or ventilation blocks all help maximize fresh air. And if you want to take it further, try stack ventilation. By placing high windows or vents upstairs, warm air rises and exits naturally, while cooler air is pulled in below. By using the natural movement of air to cool the spaces, this is an affordable passive ventilation method. Features like high ceilings, clerestory windows, or double volume spaces help keep your living area cooler and more comfortable all day long. Tip number 2, choosing the right materials. When it comes to keeping your home cool, the materials you choose matter more than you think. The right finishes can lower indoor temperatures before you even switch the air conditioner on. Natural materials like stone, ceramic tiles, marble, and concrete stay cooler compared to wood or carpets by absorbing the heat. For floors and walls, opt for lighter colors. They reflect sunlight instead of absorbing it, reducing heat buildup indoors. On walls, heat-resistant exterior paint, lime plaster, or reflective coatings can make a big difference. Textured surfaces like clay plaster or micro cement don't just look stylish, they provide thermal benefits. And don't forget the roof, your home's first line of defense against the sun. Heat-reflective coatings, white roofs, or green roofing can deflect sunlight away from the roof. This prevents heat from being absorbed and transferred into the living spaces. Every choice from floor to ceiling can make your home naturally cooler and more comfortable. One way to benefit from the heat in Malaysian weather is to use solar paneling. Compared to a lot of countries, Malaysia benefits from lengthy direct natural lighting. And the way to fully utilize this natural source of energy is by installing solar paneling. This episode is sponsored by Solaroo. Did you know solar panel doesn't only help us regenerate energy, it also helps shield the surface of the heat going directly to your roof tiles. So after installing the solar panels, this reduces heat gain and ultimately makes your home cooler. Tip number 3, cooling with greenery. Plants aren't just decorative, they're nature's very own cooling system. And the right greenery can lower temperatures inside and outside your home. Start with indoors. Plants like ferns, palms, and snake plants reduce indoor temperatures as well as purify the air. And for outdoors, the greenery is your natural shield. Large trees strategically planted around your home can block harsh sunlight, reduce heat gain, and cool the surrounding air. Leveraging the landscape to create natural shade can significantly cool your home. You can take it a step further with architecture greenery with green walls, rooftop gardens, or even balcony planters. These not only insulate your home from the sun, but also blur the boundaries between indoors and outdoors, bringing comfort and beauty together. Think of greenery as functional design. Every plant you add helps shade, insulate, or cool your home, all while making it more inviting. Tip number 4, water features for natural cooling. Ever notice how luxury resorts feel instantly cooler the moment you step in? The secret isn't just air conditioning, it's water. Incorporating water features like indoor fountains, courtyard ponds, or even a cascading water wall can naturally lower temperatures around your home. This is called evaporative cooling. As water evaporates, it absorbs heat from the air, creating a refreshing space. To make this even more effective, place water features near ventilation openings. That way, breezes coming in carry cool air through your home, giving you the sensation of natural air conditioning without the expensive electricity bill. Beyond function, water introduces movement, sound, and a sense of calm, transforming your everyday home into a tranquil retreat. Tip number 5. Smart window solutions. If your house feels like an oven by noon, the culprit could be your windows. Windows are like giant magnifying glasses, pulling heat straight into your house. But with the right design, you can avoid this. Consider installing tinted or low-E glass windows. They filter heat while still letting in natural light. Also, try avoiding having windows facing direct afternoon sunlight. On the interior, soft furnishings play a key role. Blackout curtains or blinds can block harsh rays, while sheer curtains let you enjoy daylight without the heat. And don't forget exterior shading. However, it is still crucial to install tinting before your blackout curtains or your blinds, because you would want to contain the heat outside the glass rather than have the heat come in within the glass and the curtains. Awnings, pergolas, or adjustable louvers stop sunlight before it even touches your glass, keeping your rooms cooler throughout the day. When designed with care, your windows won't just frame the view, they'll actively help you keep your home cool. With this smart interior and architecture tips, you can keep your home cool, comfortable, and energy efficient even during a heat wave. Which tip will you try first? Or perhaps you got your own cooling secrets to share? Let us know in the comments column below. Or if you want to try something that could tackle the heat immediately, there's also a growing interest in ice bath nowadays, and we, the team in Design Seed, is going to try it out right here, right now. So before we go, I would like to say if you enjoyed this episode and you want to learn more about interior design and architecture related content, please click on the subscribe button to stay tuned for more compelling design episodes. My name is Alex Lee and I am from Design Seed. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next week.
1 minute 21. Wow. 多名啊
Oh my god, it's so cold! Oh my god!